Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by accepting one fact. The Clip 5 does not natively link two units. Once done, charge both speakers and update firmware because unstable power causes pairing failures. Make sure you have a dual Bluetooth transmitter or a source with two simultaneous outputs. This is the only practical workaround. While you prepare the hardware, turn off other Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. Now power on each Clip 5 and put them into pairing mode so the external transmitter can find them next. With both clips ready, start the transmitter pairing routine. Pair Clip 5 number 1 first. Once connected, lock that channel or assign output to the first speaker. Then repeat pairing for the second clip, assigning output B. Make sure the transmitter supports two mono/stereo streams simultaneously, otherwise you get audio only from one speaker. Once both clips show connected, set your source audio output to the transmitter. Adjust volume on each clip to balance levels, because the transmitter often sends identical signal to both units. Finish by playing a test track and confirming both clips produce sound in sync. Make adjustments to volumes and placement for better stereo imaging. If you notice delay, try changing the transmitter codec to aptX low latency or move the transmitter closer. Wireless hops and interference cause lag. If pairing fails, don't panic. Unpair both clips from the transmitter, power cycle everything, then pair them again in the same order. That reset fixes most issues and gets your dual clip setup working reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.